Hello and welcome to our channel Scholars Edu Guide. This video is for the kids to discuss some questions on life skills. So let's begin. Where does an aeroplane fly? An aeroplane flies in the sky. So repeat after me. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Next question is, who flies an aeroplane? Who flies an aeroplane? Pilot flies the aeroplane. Repeat after me. Pilot flies the aeroplane. Let's move to the next question. Which is the fastest mean of transport? Which is the fastest mean of transport? Airways is the fastest mean of transport. Repeat after me. Airways is the fastest mean of transport. It is used to take sick people to the hospital. An ambulance is used to take sick people to the hospital. Repeat after me. An ambulance is used to take sick people to the hospital. Next question. Which vegetable has crown on its head? Which vegetable has crown on its head? Brinjal has crown on its head. So moving to the next question. Which animal has a horn on its nose? Which animal has a horn on its nose? So it's a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros has a horn on its nose. So this is a horn. Which flower grows in the water? Which flower grows in the water? Lotus flower grows in the water. Repeat after me. Lotus flower grows in the water. And you know, lotus is also our national flower. So remember, lotus is our national flower. Which is the largest bird in the world? Which is the largest bird in the world? The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Repeat after me. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Next question. Which is the national tree of India? Which is the national tree of India? Banyan is the national tree of India. Remember this. Banyan is the national tree of India. Moving to the next question. Which plant grows in the desert? Which plant grows in the desert? Desert is a barren land. So which plant grows in the desert? Cactus. So these are the cactus tree or cactus plant. They have spikes on them. So cactus plant grows in the desert.